All right, Lucy, here we go. We're going to start nice and slow at 60. We're just going to do the first 7 measures and try to be as precise as possible. Left hand. You ready? 1, 2. I hope you know what to do. 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 70 now. Okay, ready? 1, 2. I hope you know what to do. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, going faster. 1, 2. I hope you know what to do. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1. Hey, I hope that you did well with that one. Oh, look, I have some chocolate right there. That's chocolate from a brownie. Right, oh, right, all right, so I hope you did well with that. Go back and listen to it again. Try to remember the rhythm is what we're talking about. And right, all right, so